Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be exposing one powerful website that will give you free proxy. So on this powerful website is called proxify.dev. So on this area, you can come up on their landing page. You can see if you want to get your free proxy, or if you want to begin buying proxy, you can click on get started. And if you want to learn more about proxy, you can click on this area. So it will take you to like a video tutorial on how proxies operate. So in this video, I'll be going straight to the point to show you where to get your free proxy once you get to this website. So the first place for you to get your free proxy is from you clicking on this tools area. On this tools area, you can see what they said here: proxy list and public IP checker. So on this area, we are clicking on this proxy list. So here, this is where you can get your free proxy. So you can see get free HTTPS and SOX5 proxies from 100+ countries. So you can scroll down here and like check any country you want. I think we're going to try with this, and I'm going to choose the protocol. If it's HTTP, I can select that. If it's SOX4 or SOX5, I can select that. So I'm going to select SOX5. So after putting all of this, the format I want the proxies to appear, I'm going to select it here. After putting all this, I'm going to scroll down here and click on get proxies. So once you click on this, it's going to fetch the free proxies. Now these are the free proxies that they've given to us right now, and they are from SOX5s. So all I want to do here for me to be able to get these proxies is clicking on this download list. So once I click on the download list, you can see I did not even sign up. But I got a free proxy. This is how easy it is to get. So you can see that this is how easy it is to get a free proxy from proxify.dev. So another thing again that we need to do is for us to sign up to this account. So I'm going to sign up to this account here. I'm going to click on sign up. So clicking on sign up here, they are going to request for us to put in. So after putting, I'm going to click on this sign up with Google. So after clicking on sign up with Google, I'm going to wait for them to create the account. Alright, so we're going to select the Google account that we want to sign up with. So after signing up, we can wait for them to create an account. So the reason why I am wanting you guys to create accounts with them is because, remember, I have made a video about free proxy and how unreliable they can be most times. They are free, quite alright, but you know, you're not the only one using it. So if you want to stay fully anonymous online, I advise you to at least buy a paid proxy. Okay, buy a paid proxy. So you can start here. You see 100 credits. So once this 100 credits expires, you don't have any more proxies to use. So you can pay as low as $9 to get like 50 credits, and then you're having 50 countries, and you're having the whole protocols here. Or if you have more than that, you can actually pay for this to give you 3,000 credits. So I'm going to drop the link on the description. So if you are interested in this video, and you are interested in getting this free proxy, drop a comment if it worked for you, so others will know that it's actually working. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.